Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see liked photos on Facebook PC. We start by opening our Facebook profile. After that, click on the three dots for more options and select the activity log option. Here we will click on groups you've searched for. Finally, if you have carried out a related search, the information will appear here. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.